Hello everyone, this is the answer for the gallbladder cancer case. I observe two important factors in this case. The first is the factor of duty consciousness. The patient was very conscious about his duty towards his parents and that he had to take care of them, and in fact even after taking care he was very concerned that did he fulfill his duty or did he neglect his duty. So the first rubric I took was delusion neglected his duty. The second important feature that I observe in the case is in the situation where he is seeing injustice from the mother, from the child's mother. He feels that without any fault of his, he is being made to suffer, he is being troubled by her. So the second rubric I took was delusion wrong has suffered. When you combine both these rubrics, the remedy that comes up is Naja. So I gave him the remedy Naja in 1 m potency BD for 3 days, after which the patient significantly improved, his weight increased, his sufferings went away, he could eat food, he could tolerate food for around 6 months. This case was a very advanced case. This cancer had relapsed at least twice to him. This was the third time, so he didn't want, or he was not even in such a situation to tolerate chemo. That is when the patient had come to us, a very advanced cancer which was spread all over his body. His weight was only 39 when he came to us. His weight increased to 45, his appetite improved, he lived a good life, but 6 months later he started deteriorating and he passed away in another month or two. So that is the case. Thank you.